Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford C-Max generation from year 2012 to year 2019. If you have the key fob, you need to replace your key fob battery. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. It doesn't take very long, probably less than a minute to do it yourself. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get the battery from for a really good price, quick shipping. And if you need to buy parts for your Ford C-Max or other vehicles, tools, you can check out as well. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Let me tell you quick a little bit about us guys. If you have any of these cars or even other cars, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. If you need to fix anything specific on Ford C-Max or any other Ford vehicle, other vehicles, just drop a comment below, that way we'll have an idea, okay, what we need to do. This is the key fob, that's what it looks like. How do you guys actually replace the battery? Okay, pretty simple. Now right here you need to go ahead, okay, and pull that thing, okay, that notch, pull it back, pull it left, and pull the key out, okay, like that. Pull that key out, and we'll just leave it here. Now we're going to get a small screwdriver guys, and here, very gentle, I'm going to pry. Okay, check it out, very gentle, just a little bit up. Okay, you gently get it out. It's a little bit stuck. Don't pry on the circuit board there. This is the key guys, this is the battery, okay, right there. Now that battery, in order to remove it, okay, I'll need to get a small screwdriver probably to be able to do that. I think this one is a little bit big. Oh no, it fits perfect. And I just go ahead, okay, and pull it out. Perfect, that's the battery. You can see Sony CR2032. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get one from. I'll get the new one. We'll go ahead, come here. Just when you go in guys, okay, go from this angle like that, so it can go in, because there is one thing where it contacts. Here you may have a little bit of battery grease. You need to make sure that this is the circuit board now, okay. Make sure everything's clean here, inspect everything. Go ahead, okay, align everything really good. That's where these things need to align. Bring that cover now, align it here, and when you align it, okay, this thing came out a little bit. When you align it, you need to start pressing till it clicks, then you get the key, and let's go ahead and test it quick. Okay, let's see if it's going to lock and unlock the car now. Okay, perfect. You can see it works. So that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.